Okay, I'm going to call people of the state of Michigan versus Melissa Lee Neal. Case number 22T01570FY. The charge is possession of methamphetamine. Let me swear you in. Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give is the truth to the best of your knowledge, understanding, and belief?
I do.
What is your full legal name?
Melissa Lee Neal.
I need you to spell that for my court recorder.
MELISSALEIGHNEAL.
And how old are you?
31.
Okay, is this your client, Mr. Skinner?
Judge, Attorney Skinner for Melissa Lee Neal. Ms. Neal, judge, is being arraigned on a one-count felony complaint alleging on or about June 23rd, 2021, the city of Berkeley, charged with possession of methamphetamine, a felony punishable by up to 10 years in the state's prison and or a $15,000 fine. She was advised of the specifics of that complaint. She was advised of her constitutional rights. We will waive formal reading of the complaint and her not guilty plea. All that information was gathered from Ms. Neal by Attorney Vicari and conveyed to Ms. Neal by Attorney Vicari. Doesn't have a job. She is going to need a court-appointed attorney. She at this time is on a PR bond, according to our notes represented to Ms. Vicari. Ms. Neal, is on a PR bond out of Bay County with a sentencing date in November. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Is it true that your attorney went over the charges, penalties, and your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you feel you understand the charge, the penalties, and your rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you want me to go over the charge, penalties, and rights?
No, Your Honor, I understand them.
All right, I'm going to find the defendants knowingly and voluntarily waive the reading of the charges, penalties, and rights. I will appoint a lawyer to represent you. What is the offense date of the case in Bay City, and what are you charged with in Bay County?
The date was back in March of this year, and I'm charged with a possession of methamphetamine.
Okay, all right. So this happened, this is what, Mr. Skinner, this would have happened before the Bay County case. So how did she come to the attention of the authorities? This is.
She just did 65 days in Bay County, according to our notes. So maybe
they sent her down here.
Yeah, maybe they brought her up here, Judge.
Is that how you got here? Did they bring you up here?
You guys came and got me.
Okay. All right, because the warrant was down here. Okay, got it. All right. You are going to have your probable cause conference in person October 6th of this year at 8:30 in the morning. You're going to be in front of Judge William H. Crawford II. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh yeah, they had to writ her down here. Okay. And the sentencing in Bay County is when?
It is in October. I'm not sure exactly what date.
So is there a hold so she goes back to Bay County? Is that going on?
No, I'm on a PR bond.
Represented to Attorney Vicari that she had a PR bond and the sentencing was in November. Is your sentence in November or October?
It's November.
Wow, you just got 8 days in jail for harboring escapees last month. Is that right?
Yeah, the Huron County, I did my time served there.
And for retail fraud there in Bay County.
No, yeah, in Bay County, I was sentenced there. Well, I'm not sure if I was sentenced or not because they're running them all together.
Are you gonna be in some kind of drug treatment or no? Or do you know?
Yeah, I'm gonna look into outpatient rehabs and I'm supposed to start NA classes as soon as I get out. And I'm on drug testing
You're-
once a
Okay. Well, let me go through what your bond conditions would be. If you are able to post bond, you have to appear for any examination, arraignment, trial, sentencing, or at any other time and places directed by the courts. If you're represented by an attorney, notices to appear will be given to the attorney instead of to you. Do you understand?
Yes,
You have to abide by any judgment entered in the case and surrender to serve any sentence imposed. You understand?
yes,
You're not to leave Michigan without court permission. Do you understand?
yes,
You're not to commit any crimes while you're released. You understand?
yes,
You have to notify the court in writing of any change of address or telephone number. Do you understand?
yes,
You would have to make reports to court services or pretrial services, whatever they're calling it now. You'd have to make reports to court services. You understand that?
yes,
You're not to use any alcohol, marijuana, or illegal drugs. You understand that?
yes,
You'd have to undergo drug testing. Do you understand that?
yes,
You would have a curfew from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. Do you understand?
yes,
You would not be allowed to possess firearms or other dangerous weapons and no ammunition. Do you understand that?
yes,
You'd be on a GPS tether if released. Do you understand that?
yes.
Mr. Skinner, anything you want to tell me before I set
No,
down?
nothing beyond what's already been shared with the court.
She is from Cass City, not from this county. Had to be written up here. I think to ensure her appearance, there should be a bond. It'll be 15,000 at 10%. Oh. So there you go. Thank you, ma'am. You can step out of the room.
Thank you.